Well, specific steps. Like I say, one specific, very specific step that we are doing is how we are increasing our defense expenditure to become hard military power as well. So we have different instruments, different joint initiatives that we do, because so far defense has been very national. But we see clearly what is happening in Middle East, but also what is happening in Ukraine, that we need to have a regional approach. These capabilities are very expensive and covering a larger area, so we need to do this together. And there are several issues that I can bring. We have 9 capability coalitions. We have identified our capability gaps. We are working on those, coming from air defense to ammunition to actually become also hard power when it comes to military. But what we are also doing, because the other leg is the economic power. And there we have been economic power, but we are losing a lot because we are not competitive enough. And there we are also working with different strands. One is cutting bureaucracy, which is important, and creating possibilities for our companies, so that actually you have. That we remain economic powers. And of course, if I start to list all this, it's kind of boring and dry, I would say. But yes, we are working on those lines. And also, again, I come back to the where our strength comes is when we are united. And that's why we also need to work with our decision-making process. And one thing I forgot to say, actually, Europe is attractive because you think how many countries want to join European Union right now. Even I was in Canada last March, and when I arrived there, they said that there is a strong support of joining the European Union. I was like, ha ha ha, it's a very funny thing. But then it turned out they said, no, I can show you polls, and almost like it was like over 40% of Canadian people want to join European Union. And then I understand, okay, this is serious. So I say, I think, it's kind of hard because we have in the treaties, you have to be, geographically in Europe. And they had a response to that. We are connected via the Arctic. Voilà. So we definitely have some appeal.